The professional coach. What makes a great coach? See our full article linked below, and it can also be found on our website blog at www.elementsforlife.com.au. What makes a great coach? This is a question that I am often asked, and it is one that I love to answer. There are many qualities that go into making a great coach, but the three that I believe are most important are empathy, knowledge, and passion. 1. A great coach is someone who can help you see the potential in yourself that you may not have seen before. 2. They will be able to give you the tools and resources that you need to reach your goals. 3. They will be supportive, but also honest with you about your progress. 4. They should be someone who you feel comfortable talking to and who understands your situation. 5. Ultimately, a great coach is someone who believes in you and wants to see you succeed. When seeking support from a mentor, it is important to make sure you find someone who is invested in understanding your current situation. Ensure that the mentor has experience with something similar, like the stress of job searching or a tumultuous career change, and that they know how best to provide guidance and support for any unique circumstances. Establishing a comfortable rapport with your mentor is crucial, as it will allow you to have meaningful conversations and open up more easily about what types of assistance you require from them. When determining the best person for the job, it's essential to do your research and find someone who can relate to what you are going through. A great coach is an essential part of helping anyone reach their maximum potential, especially in athletics. However, the notion of a great coach is not just built upon a deep knowledge and understanding of the game. It is above all a belief in one's abilities and potential. A great coach manifests this belief by providing strategies, guidance and encouraging words when needed, believing that what may appear impossible today could be accomplished tomorrow. They exist to ensure those they lead are not only able to succeed, but will thrive in any challenge they face. As the saying goes, a good leader inspires others with confidence in him. A great leader inspires them with confidence in themselves. A great leader and coach ultimately allows you to recognize your own greatness and maximize your capabilities as an individual or team. A great coach is someone who has the ability to effectively communicate, motivate, and guide their clients or team members to reach their goals. They possess a deep understanding of the subject matter or skill they are teaching, and are able to tailor their approach to the needs and learning style of the individual. Additionally, a great coach is able to create a positive and supportive environment that encourages growth and development. They are also able to provide constructive feedback to help the individual or team improve. One of the most important qualities of a great coach is their ability to communicate effectively. This means being able to clearly and concisely explain concepts and provide instructions in a way that is easy for the individual or team to understand. A great coach is also able to listen actively and respond to questions and concerns in a thoughtful and meaningful way. They are able to provide feedback that is both positive and constructive, and are able to adjust their communication style as needed to best support the individual or team. Another key quality of a great coach is their ability to motivate and inspire their clients or team members. A great coach is able to help individuals and teams set and achieve goals, and is able to create a sense of excitement and energy around the pursuit of those goals. They are able to create a sense of accountability and ownership, and are able to help individuals and teams see the value and importance of their work. A great coach is able to celebrate successes and help individuals and teams learn from their mistakes. In conclusion, a great coach is someone who possesses a deep understanding of the subject matter or skill they are teaching, and are able to tailor their approach to the needs and learning style of the individual. They are able to communicate effectively, motivate and inspire their clients or team members, and create a positive and supportive environment that encourages growth and development. They are also able to provide constructive feedback that helps the individual or team improve. A great coach has the ability to make a significant impact on the lives of their clients or team members and help them reach their full potential. For more videos like this, visit our Elements for Life YouTube channel and via our website blog. The website also has more information on our Focus PT coaching services and Smart Functional Team training system, so you can get started today.